We can use VBA programming in MS Excel to analyze or manipulate any given data. This example shows how we can loop through each character within a cell value. So here in A1 cell, I have one text value. I want to evaluate each character of any given value in cell A1. So what this example is about, it will evaluate each character, or it will check each character, and one by one will write that character in column D. So I have already developed some VBA code that I have written on the click event of this command button. Once I click here, what this command button is doing, it will segregate each character that is part of cell A1. This is just for example. We can learn within this example like how we can evaluate or check each character and then utilize those character. We can arrange those characters according to requirement. We can do data mining. We can segregate text and numbers also. So let me show the code that I have developed here. I'll go to developer tab. I'll click on design mode. Then I can double click on this command button. So this is the simple code that is checking each character or evaluating each character and writing into column D. So let me delete this code and write the code again. So first of all, what I'll do, I'll declare a variable dim counter as integer, and then dim any variable that will store cell A1's value. So my string, my underscore string, or any name we can give here. This variable is of string type. Then I am assigning value to my string, value which is there in cell A1. My string equal to worksheets sheet name. Let me show. Sheet name is sheet 1. And then dot cells. So value, string value is in cell A1. That means row number 1. Column number is also 1. Dot value. So what this code is doing, assigning this A1 cells value to my string variable. And then I will use for loop for counter equal to 1, 2, and one text function I am using len. It will count length of any given value in cell A1. My string, and then next. So what this for loop will do, it will be counting from 1 to any string's length that is there in A1. And then here whatever we want we can do with every character that is being evaluated within this for loop. But what I'll do, I want to print each character in column D. So for that, worksheets sheet 1 dot cells. Here I need to declare row and column. So what I'm doing, every time counter is increasing by 1, so counter, and I want to print numbers in column D, that is 4. Dot value equal to, now one by one each character I am evaluating and then assigning to these cells. So for that I am using another function mid, and then I need to provide a string which is already stored in my underscore string, and then counter, and then 1. So mid function takes three parameters we have already given, like which text value or string, this one, from where to start, this one, and how many characters one by one. So this is the code that will check any string, and one by one each character will be printed in column D. So let's see if this code is working. Let me go to sheet again, click on design mode, and then I will click on this command button. So we can see that we are getting each character here. If I delete this, write something else, and then click on this command button, it is working perfectly. So instead of deleting manually, even I can add one more line for column D. So let me write here, worksheets sheet 1 dot range. I am going to consider entire column D dot clear contents. So this will clear entire column D before running this code. Now I don't need to delete values in column D manually because I have already written code. So let me check again by clicking on this command button. It is working. So let me show the code again. So this is how we can apply some logic in VBA and work upon any data for analysis, for data pre-processing, or even for data mining. I hope this tutorial is helpful. You can practice this code, and if you have any question around this topic, you can write into comments. You can subscribe to my channel to get notifications for new VBA tutorials. Thank you.